Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this hairband scrunchie. We will need 3 fabrics in total. This first one is on fold and the dimension is 15.5 inches by 6 inches. This is the second one. It is a single layer of fabric. It is 12.5 inches by 2.75 inches. For this third one, you can use any fabric of your choice. It is a single fabric and it is 16.5 inches by 2 inches. Now we will also need an elastic. The elastic is 5 inches by 0.75 inches. Now to the sewing. I'll take this first fabric and unfold it. Then I am going to fold it this way, right side facing right side, and then sew it with a 0.5 inch allowance from one end to the other. Now I'll take the second fabric, the one that has a 12.5 inch length. Then I'll also fold it like I folded the first one, right sides facing, and then I'll sew it with a 0.5 inch or 0.25 inch allowance from one end to the other. After sewing both fabrics, you're going to turn it inside out, probably with your loop turner or with your safety pin, whichever one works best for you. After turning it to the right side, ensure that the seam allowance is facing up, just like this. The next thing is to use your safety pin to pass this fabric through the tunnel. Once you're able to pass it through one end, secure it with a pin. Now continue passing the rest of the fabric through the tunnel until you get to the other end. Once you get to the other end, just like this, remove the safety pin, tuck it in, and then secure it with a pin. You see the scrunchie is forming? We are almost there. Now to the other fabric. You pass the elastic band through the tunnel with your safety pin. Just like we did for the other fabric, once you pass through one end, ensure to secure it with a pin. Do the same thing for the other side. Now what you're going to do is to take it to your sewing machine and sew with a 0.5 inch allowance. Now to join both fabrics together to form our scrunchie, place the shorter fabric on the longer one like this. Ensure the smooth sides are facing, and then you fold the ends of the longer one on top of it like this. Secure it with a pin. Then later you take it to your sewing machine. When you're sewing, ensure to sew beyond the line you already have. Now I am going to show you on the other side. Place the shorter fabric in the center of the longer fabric, right sides facing, just like this. And then you fold the ends over the shorter fabric, just like this. Use a safety pin to secure it and then take it to your sewing machine to sew it. Now this is it. We are done with the sewing. What you have to do is to pull the longer fabric over the shorter fabric just like this. If you feel it is bulky, try to cut the seam allowance. Ensure to leave a little. And then you pull it over the shorter fabric just like this. Voila! The scrunchie is ready to be worn. This is a medium size scrunchie. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.